extreme weather strikes. The grid is overwhelmed and factories face a production shutdown crisis. High energy consumption equals high risk. The traditional model is fragile and vulnerable, with heavy losses from production halts. Industrial energy conservation is the production stabilizer for enterprises building a solid line of defense. Through hardcore technological transformation, we precisely cut peaks and fill valleys, proactively resolving energy consumption crises. Energy conservation ensures continuous production and locks in corporate profits. Energy conservation is the ultimate competitive advantage. Act now.